to today's vlog. Today we're trying to go to the beach that we were at yesterday because it feels a lot nicer out. But we just spent like an hour finding parking and we didn't find any. So I don't know, should we look here? Okay. We just went to the grocery store to get food for lunch and then we're gonna go try to find parking again. But me and Elliot really have to pee, so we're looking for a bathroom and we're in this random bookstore right now, but we can't find the bathroom, so wish us luck. We found a Starbucks. This is where we were. So we literally just like did a whole little venture out. Hopefully they have restroom though. Bro. Shore to explore the other places. The water is very blue, but the waves are not that big today, so we're probably gonna come back another day when the waves are larger, but it is very pretty. Good morning, guys. Say hi.
Hi.
We're driving to this little hiking trail up in the mountains by a lighthouse where we just stopped because the view is very pretty. We're gonna go hiking and then we're going swimming again. I am kind of sunburnt on my nose. Okay, we're here. It's very windy, so I hope you can hear me. It's just like this trail along the mountain. I had to pee so bad, so I literally just went on the side, like over here in the bushes, and my mom just went to do the same thing because there's no porta potties here. But we're gonna go hiking now. It's only 2 miles, so it shouldn't be too difficult, but it's getting kind of hot, so hopefully it won't be too bad. And then we're gonna go to the beach, probably, and swim to cool down. So let's go.
At the push bowl, everyone's upstairs. Can I tell you something? I really need to share. Can't write it down on paper. You might lose it later.
Okay, we just tried to get food at this one place, but they were literally out of everything. So now we're going to Safeway to pick up food, and then we're probably going to eat it by the ocean.
I wanna love you. That's all I really wanna do. I wanna love you.
Can we actually leave?
Boo!
What did I just say?
Did I scare you?
I already knew you were there.
Alright, it's a little bit later now. We went to the pool for a little bit. Now we're walking to the little outdoor mall where all the stores are because it's Elliot's birthday tomorrow. So we're gonna get some things for him. So it's your birthday tomorrow. So we're gonna buy some little presents for him so he has stuff to open up. But then we're probably gonna get dinner. I don't think we're gonna swim again because we're pretty birds and we don't want to get more burnt on literally like our 4th day. But we'll see.
Ouais. Il y en a au spa, il y en a.
Ouais,
Mais c'est pas, mais c'est un fou.
We're waiting for our lunch right now, or not our lunch, our dinner. But my dad and Elliot got something different, so they already finished their food. And the girls, us girls, we're still waiting for our food. It was a hassle to figure out something that we were all gonna want, so we kind of got something different. pineapple soft serve. I'm very excited for it. Wait, why are you so tall? Guys, look who Justine bought me for my birthday. So cute. We're at an ABC store. And I'm really red. Okay, we're leaving now. Good morning guys and welcome to today's vlog. Today is Elliot's 21st birthday, so we kind of had a little long morning. We had like brunch and French toast and stuff, and now we're going to an art museum because that's what he wanted, and also we don't really want to go outside because we don't want to get sunburnt. And then we're gonna come back and have cake, and then we're eating dinner at this nice restaurant tonight. So yeah. We are having some bad luck today. We tried to go to a palace. We had to buy tickets, but the only tickets available were at 4 p.m. and we have a reservation at like 5:45, so we couldn't do that. And then we wanted to go to this other place, but it was closed. And now we're here at this tower. It said it was open online, and we get here and it's closed, and there's literally no one here. So I don't know what we're gonna do. It's very windy. Apologies. And we also almost got our car hit in the parking lot because this car just started reversing. Now we are on the pier. I guess we're just gonna look at the pier and then maybe go back and eat cake. I don't know what else we're gonna do because it's empty here. Update, we just found out we are not at an outdoor mall. We are at a university campus. It's just outdoor. That's why. I tried to go in the restroom and it was only closed to students and staff with an ID. So we're leaving. Happy birthday to you. Technically, we're coming back from our apartment, but we went to the beach. I just didn't really film anything, but we took a shower and got ready, and now we're going to dinner for Elliot's birthday at this nice restaurant. They're all dressed up really cute.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. They each spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings. Staring at the sea and what was left of it.
Good morning guys. Today we're going to this really cool waterfall by the North Shore. I don't know what it's called, but it's very pretty and I'm very excited. Lunch now. My dad wanted to get this like shrimp from these food trucks that's like really famous, but it's closed, so we're going to another food truck instead at the same area. I think it should still be good. It looks like this. It's cute. We have been waiting to order for like 40 minutes now. Okay, we finally ate. Finally, it took like an hour, and now we found these like little stores, so we're just gonna look around for a little bit, and then we'll probably go to the beach. It's getting so hot. We were literally sweating.
What's it take to move on from one mistake? Mercilessly equipped.
We were just driving to a beach and we saw sea turtles on the side on another beach on the shore. So we're gonna go look, but my dad literally parked like 5 miles away. So we're like walking. I don't think we're gonna swim there just because there's no waves there. Also my hair is really bad because we went swimming.